Today at the Daily Eco, we're diving into 10 fascinating facts about ladybugs. Not all are red with black dots. Well, we typically picture ladybugs with that classic red and black spotted look. Their appearance actually varies tremendously. There are yellow, orange, brown, pink, and even black ladybugs. The number of spots also changes dramatically. Some have only 2, while others can have up to 24. This variation isn't just aesthetic. The colors and spots act as warning signals to predators, since many species have an unpleasant taste or are mildly toxic. They are true aphid hunting machines. Ladybugs are among the most effective insects for controlling pests in gardens and crops. They feed on aphids, mites, scale insects, and other small pests with incredible efficiency. Most impressively, they can consume several times their own weight in a single day. It is estimated that an adult ladybug can eat up to 5,000 aphids throughout its lifetime. However, not all are carnivorous. Some species are herbivorous and can actually become pests themselves by feeding on plant leaves and stems. They've actually traveled to space. In 1999, NASA decided to send 4 ladybugs aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia during mission STS-93. The experiment involved observing how they would hunt aphids in a weightless environment. The results were surprising. Despite the lack of gravity, the ladybugs continue hunting successfully, demonstrating their remarkable adaptability. Even in space, they remain effective predators. They can hibernate in massive groups. During winter, many ladybug species don't migrate to warmer climates. Instead, they enter a state called diapause, which is a type of hibernation where they can reduce their vital functions to a minimum. During this period, they survive on fat reserves accumulated during warmer months. What's most fascinating is that they often gather in large groups of hundreds or even thousands, forming true winter colonies that take shelter under stones, tree bark, or house cracks to conserve heat. They can beat their wings 80 times per second. Ladybugs aren't just agile on leaves, they're also excellent flyers. Their wings, protected under hard shells called elytra, can beat up to 80 times per second, which allows them to move quickly from plant to plant, searching for food or shelter. When they land, they carefully fold their wings and tuck them under the elytra, which also protects them from damage when not in flight. They go through complete transformation. A ladybug's life cycle is true metamorphosis. It begins as a tiny egg, from which an elongated larva hatches and immediately starts devouring aphids. As it grows, it passes through 4 larval stages, increasing in size and appetite. When ready, it attaches to a surface to form a pupa. At this stage, a radical transformation occurs, giving rise to the adult insect with its rounded body, wings, and characteristic coloration. They have a chemical defense system. When threatened, ladybugs can release a slightly toxic yellow substance from their leg joints that has a very unpleasant smell and taste. This liquid acts as a defense mechanism against birds, reptiles, and other predators. Combined with their bright coloration, which serves as a warning signal, a phenomenon known as aposematism, just one unpleasant taste is enough to make predators avoid them in the future. They have a surprisingly complex anatomy. Ladybugs have 6 legs like all insects, plus segmented antennae, a head that's separated from the thorax and abdomen, and an internal structure called tentorium that provides support to their heads. They also breathe through spiracles, which are small openings distributed throughout their bodies. Despite their tiny size, their anatomy is complex and extremely efficient. They carry strong symbolism. Ladybugs don't just play an essential ecological role as pest controllers, because they also hold an important place in popular culture. In many parts of the world, they are symbols of good luck. In Europe, they are associated with the Norse goddess Freya, and in Christianity with the Virgin Mary. Depending on the country, they are known by different names, such as ladybugs, ladybirds, and lady beetles. However, regardless of their name, they always generate sympathy and admiration whenever they appear. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more ecology videos like this one. Until next time.